You see, making the decisions, following safety rules, safety procedures, does not come naturally to us, right? Now, we have to constantly make the right decisions in everyday lives. And many times, each one of us find ways to rationalize doing safe act. Kumbaga sa Tagalog, palagi tayong may katwiran. Right? Now, in our part, in construction industry, we should find that error fact, error decisions, wrong decisions, and address it. You see, we have safety rules, we have safety procedures, we have, what else? Labels, we have tarps, what else? And a lot more. All saying one thing: follow safety rules, follow that safety. But, as I have said, we always rationalize doing safe acts. Palaging may katwiran. But, there are certain factors that contributes why we rationalize doing safe acts and safe acts. First, time pressure. Now, when you are given a task to finish it at a given time, sometimes what we do, when we think we can do it, we make shortcuts just to finish the task. And when you are committing shortcuts, it means you're taking risk. What else? What do you think else are the factors? Time pressure? What else? No idea? Lack of supervision. Sometimes, when the supervisors, your foremen, team leaders, safety officers, or safety manager, even the CMs are not there, what do we do? Unsafe acts. What else? Energy levels. When we are tired, right? When we are working and we're already tired, sometimes safety practices is forgotten. That's why it is always being repeated that if we have worked the next morning, because have you felt that sometimes you just wake up and you already felt tired? Experience that? And then you go to work. Work has not yet begin, but you're already tired. What else? Moods. I already discussed about horseplay. Now, sometimes we like to tease other guys. Nagkakantsawan ka. Kantsawan. What if the next day your coworker comes to work, the day after that you tease him and it's okay with him. But when he go home last night, he had a problem with his family, with his wife, with his kids. And then the next morning he comes back to work. And you think it's okay to tease him. And again you tease him. What do you think will happen? He's not in the right mood. Maybe fight will break out. Right? Because of teasing. Because the guy you're teasing with is not in the right mood. That's why I told you don't engage in more. Okay, maybe you guys wonder why I always conducted debate meeting involving safety behavior. I'm not conducting anything. It always comes to safety behavior. You see, since the day, since the project started, we have the same activities. Aren't we? Do we have new activities? It's just the same since from the beginning. Now, what we want is to instill in your mind, in your heart, the safety culture that we want to build. So that when we proceed to our major task, safety culture is already built. Okay? Now, when one individual or one worker faces that different factors that I have said, high pressure, what else? Moods, energy levels, lack of supervision, that's the time we rationalize doing safe things. I give you an example. One one employee was asked to work uh, heights, working in heights. Now, when he climbed, when he arrived at the platform, then he realized he is not wearing fall protection or what we call body harness. Now, he thinks if I do this task, it will only cost a minute or two or three, maybe five, couple of minutes only. And he also thinks if I go down, ask my supervisor, ask my foreman, I go to the warehouse, uh, get body harness, and then climbs back. Maybe doing that task compared to going down and getting harness is much easier. What do you think the guy will do? Will he continue to work or he will go down and get harness? But mm, he will just work, right? Because he will think that this will only cost a few minutes rather than going down, going to the warehouse. You rationalize things. That's the problem. Palagi tayong may katwiran. Tama mali. Palagi may katwiran, di ba? Right? We always rationalize things. Okay? Now, you must remember this. Do not rely on your supervisor, on your foreman, on your safety officer, the safety manager, or even the CM. Do not rely to them to tell you what is the right thing to do. You have to make the right decision. Okay? Huwag mo ba natin may kapiran? Right? Because don't rationalize things. And before I finish, remember this. Make the right choice when it comes to safety, even when others are not doing that. Okay? Make the right choice. What we want, again, I will, before we leave, remember this. Hey guys, always remember this before making decisions. We have family that's waiting for you. Okay? Okay, good morning.